Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make passive income just by sharing your knowledge. And don't worry, you don't need any expensive equipment, and I will show you free softwares that you can use. And like I said, all you have to do is just share something that you know, share your knowledge, and you can make passive income online. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me jump to my computer and we are going to start. The website that I'm talking about today is called Skillshare. So basically people come on Skillshare to learn new skills or to teach other people some new skills. And because we wish to make money with this website, we need to teach other people some skills. And don't worry, it's not that hard as it seems. I will show you some examples of really easy classes that you can make in under 1 hour. And their homepage is actually intended for people who wish to learn new skills, and because we wish to make money with this website, we need to become teachers. So we need to scroll down on the bottom of this page and click here on Became a Teacher. And when you scroll here, you will see some testimonials of some teachers. And when you scroll here, you will see how this actually works. Create your first class. Film your Skillshare class and publish it with our easy class upload tool. Grow your followings. There are millions of members learning on Skillshare. Start earning. As you can see here, top earning teachers make more than $100,000 per year. And when you click here on Learn More, you will see more details about earnings, and I actually recommend you to actually read this. And here you can see you can get $10 for every premium member that you refer. And when you click here on earning royalties, here they explain you how you as a teacher actually make money on Skillshare, and I recommend you to read this carefully. And as you can see here, first-time teachers earn $200 on their first month on Skillshare, with top teachers earning $3,000 per month. So even if you are just a beginner, if you just started on Skillshare, there is a huge probability that you will make $200 of your first month on Skillshare. And here you can see you must get a minimum total of 30 premium minutes watched across all of your classes. And that means that premium members must watch at least 30 minutes this month of all of your classes that you uploaded. Only then you will receive money. And to sign up on Skillshare, just click here on Start Classes. And it will take you to this page, and you will need to click here, Not a Member Yet, click on Sign Up. And now you can sign up with your Facebook, with your Gmail, with your Apple account, or with your email. Now this is important. After you sign up, you will come to the page that will tell you that you need to pay with your credit card. Don't worry, it's their marketing trick. You are a teacher, you don't need to pay anything. All you have to do is just click on your profile image here in upper right corner and you're good to go. You don't need to pay anything. To upload your classes, just click here on Teach and then click here on Create a Class. And it will take you to this page here, and then just click on Start a Class. I strongly recommend to read this carefully. And as you can see here, you can upload only one class per week, and that is because they don't want quantity, they want quality. And that is why you can upload only one class per week. And here you can see you can upload your videos. And when you click here on class info, here you can add the title, description, class projects, and I actually recommend you to be precise and to be descriptive with these things and include keywords. Optimization is important on Skillshare. And here you can attach some files, categories, class type, and so on and so on. Class skills. And after you upload your class and after you add class info, just click on publish and you are good to go. And let me show you some simple video classes that you can make. For example, as you can see, this girl, let me just play this for a second.
Instagram stories is basically a slideshow.
Okay, let's pause it. As you can see, this girl is just sitting in front of her camera and talking. Literally anybody can do this, and all you need is your smartphone and that's it. And this one, for example, when you play it, Let's just give it a second. As you can see, this is a doodle video. And let's pause it. And later lessons are actually PowerPoint presentations. And all you have to do is just make a PowerPoint presentation, screen record that presentation, and add a voiceover. And to screen record, you can use a OBS Studio, Open Broadcaster software. It's free. OBS Studio is free. As you can see, it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. And to record voiceover, you can use your smartphone. And that's it. And all you have to do is just merge those two files, screen record and voiceover, into one video. And for that you can use VSDC. It is a free video editing software. And also you can use OpenShot. Again, it's a free video editing software. And there is plenty of tutorials for both of these softwares on YouTube. So now we know how to create account on Skillshare. We know now how to upload our classes and what kind of simple classes we can create. But if you are thinking, well, I don't have any special skills. I don't know what could I possibly teach other people. I don't know what people are searching, what people are looking for to learn. Well, you can go on Skillshare and click here on Browse. And let's click on Productivity, for example. And here you can see, for example, personal productivity, 11,000 students. And when you scroll here, 21,000 students, 2,600 students, 6,000 students, 49,000 students, 85,000 students. And here you can see trending productivity classes. So you can take ideas from these classes here. And if you don't know anything about this topic, you can go on YouTube, for example, and just here in search bar, just type how to be productive. And YouTube will give you some keyword suggestions, but we will stick with how to be productive. And here you can see videos in this niche. As you can see, 3.2 million views, 300,000 views, 235,000, 2.1 million views, which means people are actually looking for this. People are looking how to be more productive. And as you can see, these are all simple videos, just people standing in front of camera and talking. Literally anybody can make these videos. So what you need to do, you need to watch these videos and you need to recreate these videos in your own words. And for that, you will need just a 1 hour. It's that simple. Or for example, you can create course about Photoshop lessons. Let's just type here Photoshop lessons and click search. And here you can see Photoshop for beginners, 8.1 million views, 549,000 views, and so on and so on. So what you can do, you can watch these videos and then screen record yourself doing this in Photoshop and explaining people how to do that. And then upload those lessons on Skillshare. And best thing about Skillshare is this is passive income. You just upload those classes on Skillshare and they will continue making you money. As you can see here, on average, people make $200 on their first month. And those courses, those classes will continue making you $50, $100, $200 in next few months, maybe even a few years. So this is absolutely passive income. And I told you, you don't need to do anything. You just upload those classes and just leave them there. But I would actually recommend you to, from time to time, to upload new updated lessons. In that way, you will have updated classes and people will come back to watch those new classes, plus new people will come and watch your classes. So Skillshare is one of the best ways to make passive income online. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.